We do have some clouds across the area. Those will start to break up later this afternoon. But look at this, 41 currently in Hammond, 44 in Slidell, 41 also in Picayune here in the metro. We're sitting at 55 downtown, 58 at the airport, 49 up in Gonzales, 52 in Houma, and 51 in Thibodaux, Galliano at 56. And of course, some of our stations are still knocked out down south of the metro from Zeta. Forecast today, we'll get into the lower 70s, plenty of sunshine. It's going to be beautiful today with low humidity. This evening is going to get kind of chilly. We'll get into the low 60s as we get into the after sunset. And don't forget, blue moon tonight. We do have our full moon coming across the area. So go out there, see it. It's not very often you have a full moon on Halloween, and especially it's not very often you have a blue moon. That's the second full moon in a single month. Precision cast showing, we'll see plenty of blue skies. We go throughout this afternoon. The clouds will clear out later today. We'll stay clear going into tonight. Maybe a few upper level clouds overnight into tomorrow morning. Another cold front will actually move in tomorrow, and what that's going to do is bring in some cooler air, just kind of reinforcing the cooler air as we go into Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. You'll also notice pretty breezy on the backside of Sunday and even going into Monday. So our highs will warm just a little bit tomorrow in the mid 70s, but we're about where we should be, around 76. Notice Monday 66, so starting the week off very cool, upper 60s on Tuesday, mid 70s on Wednesday, and then we'll gradually start our warm up as we go into Thursday and Friday. But overall, some much cooler air is sticking around. Look at our morning temperatures. Tomorrow will be a little bit warmer, but still pretty chilly on the North Shore, around 50 degrees, 59 to 63 here in the metro, and some 50s to mid 50s as you go into the river and bayou parishes. Waking up Monday morning a little cooler, lower 40s to lower 50s. Wait for it. Upper 30s, yeah, we could see some upper 30s. This is by Tuesday morning, and low 50s to upper 40s in the metro. You get outside the metro to the river parishes, mid 40s to upper 40s, and mid 40s in the bayou parishes. So going into November, can you believe it's already November? We will be feeling pretty chilly. And we're still talking about the tropics. Okay. Here's Tropical Invest 96. It is sitting in the Caribbean. A lot of showers and storms are forming around it. It is becoming more organized, still not quite to that depression status, but I think it will be a depression probably later on today, if not a tropical storm later on today, sitting just south of the Dominican Republic, heading west pretty quickly at about 17 miles per hour. You can see there, very likely this becomes a depression as it heads towards Central America. Now, looking at this, you think, okay, this is going to run into Central America and dissipate. That's a possibility, but there is still some uncertainties with this, and it's a very tricky forecast because this thing is not going to get over here until about the next 5 to 6 days. Notice as it gets there, it slows down, and then some models do start to kind of tug it to the north. Now, the reason for that, and it's not a guarantee it does that, but the reason models are doing that, currently there's a ridge over the Gulf. That will push it towards Central America. But as we get into the middle and end of this coming week, this ridge will start to break down, and if there's anything still here, it will naturally try to pull to the north as that ridge breaks down, a trough comes down. So it's too soon to say, you know, what it will do in the long term, but it's certainly one we'll keep an eye on. It's not a threat to us right now, but hurricane season doesn't officially end until November 30th, and oh boy, we are sick of it. I know you are. So great weather through the next 7 days. We don't have to worry about that thing, at least in the forecast. We'll see beautiful weather through really the next 7 days. Election day is looking nice, but the coolest morning will be on Tuesday.